everyone, this is the demo for the Unify Inbox feature of Orchestrator bot, right? So previously we have seen how do you create an Orchestrator bot. Now you can see the one of its functionalities. How do you take advantage of an Orchestrator? So when you click on the create Orchestrator from the previous demo, you sort of land in this page, right? So I already created an Orchestrator bot, and you have two options basically. This is Orchestrator for automation and Inbox for agents. So Orchestrator for automation is kind of like the builder for an orchestrator bot. You can see all the child bots which are listed previously. You have selected in the drop down to be listed over here. You can obviously add more child bots, but you have to bear in mind that you can't really edit the subscription at this point. Or you can only add more child bots which are in the subscription. And then you can click on save, and they'll be added over here. Some of these functionalities are still in development, so they're coming soon. At that point, we'll create a new demo. But for now, I'll show you how the inbox functionality works. So the Unify Inbox has already been enabled. So if I come to the inbox of the parent bot, so this whole thing is meant for the parent bot. So I'm an agent, so I've been listed over here. Now I'll open a chat window with the child box, right? Child bot. And we have to bear in mind that to the end user, this looks like they are chatting with child bot. This has nothing to do with the parent bot. Let's just start a conversation which might lead to a ticket creation, right? So let's say because I ask my name, I'll give my name and some random number. Let's say wrong shoe size maybe. Like you can see that a live agent has been connected. Where you uh, see that, and you can see that in the chat of the parent bot. So this is meant for the parent bot, as you can see. Obviously, you can write like, "Hey, how can I help you?" This is happening again in the parent bot, but you can see that reflecting in the child bot's chat as well. Okay, I'll put some reply. I ordered a wrong shoe size, and voila. So basically, what this whole redirection is the feature of Unify Inbox. Right? You can obviously resolve the ticket at this point itself, and you can see the ticket has been resolved in the child bot. And this has been the demo for the Unify Inbox feature. Thank you.